Hi, this is a question of this is the second question of homework 5. The first one is to draw the non-zero definition region of the density function of f of x and y, and we know that in this function y must more than or equal to 1, and x need to more than 1 over y, and x also need to more than y. So we have two lines out here, and according to the relationship, we have the area above this intersection. This is where f, the density function, should be. And in the second question, we need to find the parameter a to make the density function a valid joint density function. So we can do the integral, double integral here in the integral of x and integral of y, and we use x from 1 over y to y, and y from 1 to infinity, and so we can do this is basically the integral process. And this one is quite simple because we know the integral of 1 over x is a ln x. So got here, and this is quite intuitive. And for this part, we need to use w to substitute the hard part, which is ln y, and so we have y equals to e to the w, and we substitute here. We got this equation here, and so after we do the integral, we have we need to make it 1, and we have, so this equation, this integral here is 1. So we have the final result a must equals to 2, and in the now later we need to get the density function of x and y, and for f of x, and we need to do the integral of y, and we have we already know x must be between 1 over y and y, so there should be two different interval here, so between 0 and 1. So for this part, x must more than 1 minus y. So we have this integral here, and the final result is 0.5, and the second one is from x to infinity, and the final result is 1 over 2 times x squared, and for otherwise the density function is 0, and it is easier for the y part, because there's only one interval here, and we do the integral here, and we got the long y over y squared, and y need to more than or equal to 1, and the density function is 0 for otherwise part of y. And if we do the integral of x or y here, we get the final result is 1, so we can prove it simply. So these two are valid density function.